In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GetResponse email marketing campaign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a newsletter, design it, choose your audience, and schedule it to send. First, log into your GetResponse account. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. Look for the option called Tools. Click on that, and a large mega menu will open. Under the section labeled Communicate, choose Email Marketing. This is where you'll manage all of your newsletters and campaigns. Inside the email marketing area, click on Create Newsletter. A pop-up will appear asking whether you want to create your email by yourself or use the AI email generator. Both options work, but in this guide, we'll choose the option to create it by ourselves, so you can see the entire process. Now you're in the newsletter editor. Start by giving your newsletter a clear internal name. This is just for your reference inside GetResponse. So choose something that makes it easy to recognize later. Then select your from and reply to email addresses. Make sure these are addresses your subscribers will recognize and trust, as that can impact open rates and deliverability. Next, write your subject line. Aim for something concise and compelling that makes people want to open the email while still being honest about what's inside. Take a moment here, because the subject line is one of the most important elements of your campaign. Once that's done, click Add Recipients. A pop-up will appear where you can choose the list or segment that should receive this newsletter. Select the appropriate audience and then click Add to confirm. Now move to the content of your email. Under the Design Content area, click Design Message. You'll see several tabs and template categories: your saved templates, blank templates, an HTML editor, existing messages, and pre-designed templates. For this tutorial, choose one of the pre-designed templates. Browse the designs, click Use Template on the one you like, and wait for the editor to load. In the editor, customize the newsletter content and layout. You can edit text, swap images, adjust colors, and rearrange sections to match your brand and message. Take your time to make it visually clear and easy to read. When you're happy with the design, click Next in the top right corner. You'll be taken back to the main newsletter settings view. Here you can configure tracking options. You can enable click tracking to see which links your subscribers interact with, turn on revenue attribution if you're selling products, and track site visitor behavior and Google Analytics data. Enabling these helps you understand how well your campaign performs. You'll also see a sharing section. Here, you can connect your social accounts, such as Facebook and X, to promote your newsletter on social media when it goes out. This can help extend your reach beyond your email list. Finally, decide when to send your newsletter. You can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. If you schedule, make sure the time zone matches your audience. You'll also see options like Perfect Timing, which attempts to send the email when each subscriber is most likely to engage, and Time Travel, which ensures the email arrives at the same local time for subscribers in different time zones, available when you schedule for later. Once everything looks good, scroll to the bottom right and click either Send to send it now or Schedule to finalize your scheduled send. That's it. You've successfully set up a GetResponse email marketing campaign from start to finish.